Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free cam in Barry Ave, part 2. You will see that there are 2 camera buttons right here, but the one we want is this one. Once you click on that button, it will then give you access to all of Barry Avenue. So slay. I also forgot to mention, it only will work in your private server. If it did work, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss a thing, and if you enjoyed the video, maybe hit that like button. Well, that's all for today's video. Love you guys so much. Hope this video helped. Bye!